Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we have got our hands on another gaming keyboard. This particular one is the Havit Pro HVKB395L mechanical keyboard. It is specified to support all key anti-ghosting, supporting a variety of backlighting modes too, and being compatible with Windows. The box itself comes fairly well packaged. It has a matte black sleeve, in a red box, with a bit of a monster slash motif below. There's also a big hello and thanks for choosing Havit message to the top too. That's a nice touch. Inside the box, we have a fairly simple user manual which tells you how to set up your RGB lighting. It's nice and colourful, quite refreshing in fact, with also a usual 18-month warranty, a very lengthy 60-inch micro USB power cable, and we have the Pro Havit keyboard itself. So yes, this is indeed the upgraded version of the HVKB390L. It's basically a low profile mechanical keyboard. It's good for typing and gaming too, with a 104 key layout that has many RGB backlighting modes. Underneath the removable exchangeable keycaps, there are them PG1350 blue switches. The keys have only 3mm of travel, which can be ideal for in-game action response time with 45 grams of operating force. Yes, very sturdy keys with good key travel. Nope, no bumping sounds, quite clicky in fact, but isn't too noisy. This keyboard does have a US layout. Okay, I'm not too keen on the small enter key if I'm to be honest, but with the keyboard being light and having a low profile, it makes it possible to have a very comfortable wrist position without wrist support, with fairly average grip when it's laid out on flat surfaces. But you can indeed adjust the level of the keyboard by simply flicking out those feet to the rear to allow better positioning of your hands and providing better grip on those flat surfaces too. When it comes to the RGB lighting, it can be accessed via the function and the F6 to F11 keys. Now these are presets, but you can indeed customize your own, which is instructed within the user manual. One thing I have already noticed is that there is no volume or media access keys upon the keyboard. Now yes, this is just a minor issue, but one other issue that I did have is that sometimes the keyboard didn't activate when plugged into my computer and when it booted up. It was easily sorted out though after replugging in the USB cable into a different USB slot, or simply inserting it once again. When gaming, the keyboard behaved fantastically. Now this keyboard does indeed have a dedicated gaming mode that you can access by basically pressing the function and print screen keys both at the same time. I personally did like this keyboard. Overall, the construction of this Pro Havit keyboard is very solid. It is however a sealed unit, which you will unfortunately find very impossible to open if you intend to clean the internals. Yes, the keystrokes are clicky, a bit loud at times, especially for example if you're working close to someone. You may find it's a bit annoying, but if you are looking for a reasonably priced, low profile keyboard, well this Pro Havit keyboard will exceed your expectations. It's a nice simple look. I do like that chrome detail just around the whole edge of the keyboard, and it doesn't look too over the top if I'm to be honest. It does get the job done. Now I would say it is worthy of a rating of 7 out of 10, and that is basing this keyboard within a mid-range price category. Now yes, I will indeed provide a buy it now link in the video description down below, but don't get me wrong, I am not affiliated in any sort of way. It is not an affiliation link, so please feel free to take a look. And if you do like what you see, well why not go get yours. As usual, please go ahead and do us a favour and smash that like button. Please subscribe to this channel today, I'd very much appreciate it. Making sure to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated upon our new uploads. Now we do hope to be uploading a brand new review in the next few days, so stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, please stay safe guys, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!